You did it! You made it all the way from way over here to way over there walking. Nice work, dude. Want some help? Oh, you'll go back. Oh, more help. Okay. Where are we going? Back over to the window. And that's the first time you've ever walked without 2 fingers to hold on to. What's happening? Can we walk to the chair? Let's go walk to the chair. Nice work, baby. You got it. You're doing so good. You got it. Oh, let's go. Let's go. You made it! You made it! Yay! Oh, we're gonna keep going? Okay, let's keep going. Back over here. Oh!